Cox Target Media operates Valpak Direct Marketing and Savings.com companies. Valpak's mission is to help people save, businesses grow, and neighborhoods thrive. We actually do that through delivering our Valpak Blue Envelope to over 40 million homes every month. We also allow consumers to take advantage of those promotional offers and coupons online at our Valpak.com and within our mobile app. Technology plays an integral role in Valpak operations. A good example of that is just our manufacturing facility that we're in today. The thing about that is, nobody touches the coupon in that envelope until you open it at home. And so totally automated, robots, integrated technologies, systems that all have to work together to produce our core product.
Infrastructure group was challenged with how do we provide an infrastructure solution to support the technology and the robotics that we have in place here and be able to support that in a next to zero downtime environment.
Everything is run through our systems. I mean, you can't get paper to a press, you can't get ink to a press, you can't get coupons to a collator without running through all of our systems.
Our SLA when we first opened this business was 5 nines, meaning we had to have it back online in 5 minutes or less.
So it takes a team, takes great processes and even better technologies that are redundant and resilient to keep this process running and to have it not go down and interrupt our workflows.
We decided to take a look at the Nutanix product during one of our refreshes, and really at the same time one of the things that was driving that deep look was we were acquiring a new company called Savings.com. I had just been looking at updating our current infrastructure, which at the time was a fiber optics based typical block storage SAN on the back end with front-end servers the way we had always done it. It's very traditional, very safe, if you will.
And so as we were looking to upgrade our storage infrastructure, we really had three things to solve. One of them was cost. We had traditional SAN infrastructure that was going to cost a fairly significant amount of money to upgrade. The second aspect was simplicity or lack of complexity. And then third, we needed to keep our operations running all the time, not have to worry about scheduling upgrades or downtimes when we were doing these replacements of technology. And Nutanix helped solve all three of those for us.
Some of the issues we were facing before we deployed Nutanix, one especially comes to my mind instantly, is our product time of delivery. It would take us a little longer to develop a new system, a new server for programmers to drop a new application on. And we can do that in less than an hour now.
The performance of the Nutanix platforms have met or exceeded our expectations. We have seen performance increases of 20 to 30% in the traditional Nutanix environment and over 50 to 60% in the flash storage.
The reason we actually looked at all flash is because we had a few workloads that tend to take over an entire node, but by splitting that workload out onto its own separate all flash unit, we were able to scale up the other clusters higher. So we moved things like data warehousing, analytics, our main OLTP processing there. I really look one place now to see everything, where before to manage my storage, I jumped into a storage interface. To manage my network, I jumped into another interface. I had probably 3 or 4 different performance monitors. Now it's all rolled up into one screen under Prism in Nutanix. I see everything at a glance.
So these are significant performance improvements to not only our internal users, but our franchisees and our consumers, all with just changing the underlying infrastructure technology.
Being a guy that was here as a systems engineer from the start, I can tell you the sleepless nights I've had. And I don't have them when I know my stuff is sitting here. You know, I can sleep at night, and should we run into a bump, I know that the Nutanix system will cover it.
One of the biggest things that we look for when we bring on a new technology is what type of partner that is that we're getting into a relationship with. We have partnerships, and we want to drive those partnerships to where they're a win-win scenario. Nutanix is one of the best partners we've had that has started this journey and has supported us all along the way, and their stuff just works.